Soboshiwe Nesigilamkhuba leseba bomatise banohlelelwe Matsebula sabusebentisa kuthola umsebenti eveni lesikhwahlane lekubengulapho khona lesigebengu sibe sesibulala umntwana lokuthiwa ngikhiya sasulelwa nganohlelelwe Matsebula. Ligama lalesigilamkhuba kuthiwa Nomalungelo Jele lowatiwa kuthiwa Nora. Uboshiwe ke namuhla usegciniwe emaphoyiseni akhona esikhwahlane. Nohlelelwe Matsebula ubona ukuthi ligama lakhe libese liyahlengeka njengobe lesigilamkhuba besitibita nganohlelelwe Matsebula sisebenzise buve bakhe kuze kuthi sikwati kwenda lo mkhuba lomubi.
My name is Nora Lowabulala. A mother to Kubengulapho. Saturday the 13th of January around 1 a.m. Found my daughter lifeless inside a suitcase. I stay in Protea Glen Extension 1 in Brittlewood Street. A lady that we've been staying with for the past 2 years, Nohlelelwe, she took my daughter. She killed my child. While I was doing laundry, I saw her dragging a suitcase. And then she just said, "I'm going somewhere." Whereas earlier on, she was playing with the kids. She said she was playing hide and seek with them. So when she was dragging this big pink suitcase, I followed her. I picked up some papers to go to the laundry bin, and then I was just walking behind her. I noticed the other kids that were sitting down and playing cards, but my daughter was not there. So I kept on following Nohlelelwe up until she went out the garage door. I still followed her. When she was going out, there was a car outside, a Bolt car. She opened the door. She put the suitcase in at the back. She went in as well. And then the driver started the car. As the driver was starting the car, I asked him to stop. I stood in front of the car. I asked him to stop. I then hit his car. He became alarmed and alert to find out what was going on. I said to him, "I can't see my daughter, and this lady was playing with my daughter earlier on, so she cannot leave until you found her." And then I asked Nohlelelwe, "Can you please come out? Let's look for gear. When we find gear, then you can go." And then she started shouting that she's in a hurry. She started shaking and panicking to say that she wants to go now. She's in a hurry. And then I said to her, "No, you cannot leave until I find my daughter." I then went and opened her door. I took her from that car. I pushed her out. Then I took the suitcase because it was big. I called Siyasanga, my neighbor, to come and assist me. She immediately came. We took the suitcase out. We put it down. As we are putting the suitcase down, I found my daughter there, lifeless. My daughter was inside that suitcase. I found Lukia there. She had a sock inside her mouth. Took her inside the house. People started coming. We called an ambulance. We did CPR on her. The very same Bolt driver came into the house to offer to take us to the hospital. We then drove. On our way to the hospital, when I was helping her with CPR, I then noticed something black on her neck, and when I lift her head up, it was a cable tire, and it was holding my daughter not to breathe. She was even changing color. We had to stop the car and ask people to help with a knife or scissor to cut it. We cut the cable tire, and then we continued to go to the hospital. We went to LandMed. When we get there, she was not responding. Doctors tried CPR for 30 minutes. They came to say there's no pulse. Then I asked the doctor to try again. 15 minutes later, she came back to say there's a pulse, but it's very small. They then put machines on her, drip and everything. Later on, she was transferred to Netcare Alberton. She's currently in Netcare Alberton. She's not responding. Her organs are shutting down. She's in ICU. I'm pleading the police to take this case seriously, because no one at the police station is currently taking anything seriously. This lady is on the run. Unontle is still out there. I'm asking anyone that can help, the police, the community, anyone who can assist to allocate Unontle, because I want justice for my daughter. I want justice for Gia. Gia is currently fighting for her life with everything that she has. I pray every day for Gia to return to me. Please help me find Nontle. Please help me find her.
Singumsakazo iswazi Voice of the People News njengoba sayiveta lenzaba sithi asiphize sibuye siyivete ukuze sitocacisa siphinze sihlobise ligama nesithombe sakhe Nohlelelwe Ndelwa Matsebula ngekuthi kusetshenziswe buvumathise bakhe kwendiwe lo mkhuba lofana nalona.